Hi everybody, it's Carrie from KDS Insurance Services, and I am coming to you today. It is September 1st, which is a Wednesday, and I can't believe we're already in September. Wow, 9 months have gone by really quickly this year. 8 months, I should say. So I wanted to come to you today. I haven't posted in a couple of weeks, and I apologize for that. I just really have not been 100% physically, and so I have just been concentrating on getting better, and so I am back today. It's Wednesday, as I've mentioned, and I wanted to talk a little bit today, not a very long video, but just to give you some food for thought, and then we'll get into it at a later date with more details, probably Friday. It is the Labor Day weekend, so everybody have a really safe weekend out there. Drive safe, and or whatever it is that you're going to be doing. Just remember, this can be one of our most treacherous holidays on the road. So if you are traveling somewhere by car, please take the necessary steps to be safe, because it can be a very dangerous long weekend. But today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of the things in my career that I'm so passionate about, and that's life insurance. I have seen firsthand on two separate occasions in my career where life insurance was the process of buying life insurance was not completed. And on both of those occasions, it made a huge difference to the surviving spouse and what their lives were without the life insurance, because the life insurance process had not been completed. And it can be a very traumatic event if you have gone through the process of talking to your insurance agent and you have decided on life insurance, and you have gone through the application, and you are either in the middle of waiting to pay for that insurance, or you are waiting to finish those applications. And I can tell you, in these two very specific circumstances, one in my very early career and one not just a few years ago, two situations, and it's amazing how similar they were. Both were young couples. One had a very brand new baby. The other couple hadn't been married very long. And in both situations, we had spoken to both the husband and wife, and we were talking about life insurance, and the decision to buy the life insurance was done. And it was not a matter of thinking about it any longer, or changing the products or the amounts or anything like that. But it was actually buying the life insurance. We were in the process of completing those applications and underwriting. And in both of those circumstances, the husband was tragically killed in car accidents. And as somebody who was involved in this transaction as the insurance agent, I was very new at the time, so I was watching my boss in the first situation. The second situation, it was actually my client. And I can tell you that it is a dramatic, life-changing, devastating event to have planned for life insurance and then not to have it when the loved one who was insuring their life to protect those that he loved, when he was killed tragically in these car accidents, there was nothing left. There was no life insurance policies. And so all of the steps that got us to that point, and the decision made to leave money for a spouse because you either want to pay for a mortgage, or you want to pay off other loans, or you want to leave money for college educations, or whatever the circumstances may be. And then not to have that happen. And as a participant in that, it's heart-wrenching. I just cannot explain to you how heart-wrenching it is to have to watch or listen to a wife hear that there is no life insurance, that there are no benefits, that the life that they had planned for is not going to be the one that they now have because their loved one's gone, but On top of that, they don't have the money that they had talked about and discussed as a partnership to ensure that if one or the other of the couples was killed, that they would be taken care of. And I just cannot stress to you how important it is. If you are in the process of buying life insurance, don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till next week. Don't wait till next month, because you and me, we are not guaranteed tomorrow. None of us. It could all be gone tomorrow. And then we have loved ones that we're leaving behind that we want desperately to take care of and leave funds for so their lives can be easier. Please, I beg you, do not delay. Don't wait another day. If it's a payment that's due, or there's an application that needs to be signed, or whatever it is that's remaining, get it done today, because you just don't know what God has planned. Nothing is promised. Tomorrow is not promised. And as a participant in these types of things, as an agent, I can tell you it is gut-wrenching to have to explain to somebody that there is no money coming. It is gut-wrenching. I just can't, I'm not articulating how important it is. So if you're at that stage and you're working with your spouse, or even if it's just you're working on getting your own life insurance to leave for whomever it may be, please do it now. Don't wait. Call your agent, call whoever it is that you're working with, and just say, let's do it. Here's a credit card. Fax me over. Everything now is so instantaneous, and even life insurance policies are now signed electronically. So please do not wait another day. Now, in my next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about how to determine life insurance and what numbers they need to be, and the types of policies that are available, and all the, ins and outs of it, and how much you should have, and are you ever overinsured? That's a big question I get all of the time. But for this video, if you're on the fence and you haven't done it and you know you want it, as soon as you finish watching this video, please call and get it taken care of, because there's loved ones that depend on you, and if you're not here, all bets are off, right? So if I can impose upon you and light that fire under you to get it taken care of, then I'm doing a service to those people in your life that you love, that will be long lasting, well into many years from now. So that's it for today. The next time, as I mentioned, we're going to get more into the details of life insurance and why it's important, besides what we've done today. How to determine what's important, how to determine the right products. There are many products out there. It is confusing. Most people are completely lost about life insurance. But we'll get through it, and we're going to take one at a time. And the next one we're going to talk about is a calculation and how to calculate the type of life insurance that you need. Because it is a calculation based upon your individual needs. So anyways, that's it for today. I'm glad I'm back. I'm excited. We're in our new facility here. Everything's just cranking along. I'm feeling better, and I cannot wait to continue to bring you these videos. Again, these are for educational purposes only. I'm not confirming coverage. I'm not endorsing carriers. I'm here to help you. Okay, so please take a few minutes, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, Carrie Devlin Scroggins. All of my videos are posted there on YouTube, and I want to hear from you. So please give me a call. Let's talk about it. If you've got a question and you have a specific scenario, or you want a specific specific content covered, please, I'm happy to do it. That's my job. I'm very passionate about helping people, and this in particular, life insurance, is one of my greatest passions, because, as I said, I know what it can do to a family of the loved ones left behind when the decision is made, but unfortunately the process is not completed, and I don't want that to happen to you. So as soon as you get off this video, make that phone call, get it done, be prepared so the loved ones in your life can be taken care of. God bless. Happy Labor Day, and I will catch up with you next week. God bless.